So, what exactly does map method do? Imagine you have an array filled with numbers, strings, or any data type. The map function lets you transform each element of that array according to a function that you define. Here we've got an array of numbers. Now let's say we would like to double each number in this array. We can use the map method for that. We can type Array.Map and pass a function as an argument. This function takes each element of the array as its parameter. In this function, we simply multiply each number by 2, and that's it. Map methods returns a new array with transform elements. You can also use map method to transform arrays of objects. Let's say we have an array of objects representing people with their names and their age, and we want to extract just their names. We can use map function to achieve this. And there you go, we get an array of just the names. The map function takes a second parameter as well. That's gonna be an index of an element that is currently being processed. This can be useful if you need to know the position of each element within the array while performing your transformation. For example, if you'd like to multiply by 2 only the even elements of an array, you can simply use the following code. In summary, map function is a handy tool for transforming arrays in JavaScript. It applies a function to each element of an array and returns a new array with the transformed values. I hope you guys enjoyed and see you in the next video. Subscribe for more content.